Hey YouTube, what's up? It is Jackie Dollhouse and I am here with a tutorial. So before we get started on this tutorial, let me just touch the obvious. I've been gone for like 9-10 months. I could have had a whole baby and a whole lot of things could have changed, but things haven't changed. Still the same old me, doing the same old thing, trying to get back to YouTube, trying to get back to you guys. So shout out to everyone who just been supporting this channel since day one. I know I'm not consistent on it, but guys, I try my best with my workload and everything else in between. I guess I could try a little harder, and I will try a little harder. So yeah, just thank you to everyone who's been supporting my channel, who follows me on Instagram, Facebook, all the social media outlets, and just always in my inbox asking when I'm coming back, when I'm going to do another video. You guys are the reason why I keep going and the reason why I don't quit. So I know I said that before, but yes, the same reason still remains. You guys won't let me quit, so therefore I'm not going to quit. As long as you want more, I'm going to give you more, even if it is once every 9 months. Just joking. Please excuse my nails. I've been doing my hair, and yeah, I've been working hard and it's showing. So anyway, I am back with this tutorial on this look that I'm rocking today. If you guys follow me on social media, you probably already seen it. I did do a little preview of it on how I did it. It wasn't, explained. It was just one of those fast videos with me showing you guys me doing my hair. So this right here is a detailed tutorial on basically the hair that I use, the technique, how I did it. It's very simple. It's just time consuming, very tedious. While I was doing it, I was a little nervous about the color because I was looking ratchet, and it was taking a long time to get done. So I had all this black hair on the top, and this wasn't together yet. But now that it's all done, I'm loving this style. It's very edgy. It's definitely an eye catcher. It's stopping traffic more than I was anticipating, but I'm loving it. And red is my favorite color. So what other way to express my favorite color and my love for red besides going full on red minus the roots? Alright, so yes, that is basically it. If you like to see how before we get started into the tutorial, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I think that's on this side, right? Yeah. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can be notified, because I'm coming back with more and more and more videos. Alright, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can be notified, and rate, comment, and tell a friend. Share this if you really rock with me. Share this video. Alright? So without further interruption, let's get started to the tutorial. Okay, jumping right into it. I use 6 to 7 packs of the Marley braid here in the color red. You can find this at your local beauty supply store for about $4.99 a pack. My favorite comb to part with is a metal rat tail comb. It gives you nice, clean, precise lines, and it just makes it easier. Of course, I seal that with some good old school jam, and that is to add shine and to tuck in all those little flyaways. Okay, so the Marley hair come in pieces like this. So I like to break it down just so I give myself a small braid. I don't want a big knot to cover, so I break the hair down like this and separate it, and I take the smaller piece to braid. I set the bigger piece aside because I'm going to use that later for wrapping. Okay, so I take my hair, I do ABC 1, 2, 3 braiding. Just put my hair in the middle of that, and now I got 3 strands, and I just start braiding. It doesn't have to be tight, because once you start wrapping, it's going to tighten up the braid. So it's okay if you can't make it tight, just get that braiding. And girls, we can all do that, right? So just braid it down till you're done with your hair. I just recently did a big chop in May, so I think I have about 4, maybe 5 inches. So yeah, I don't have a lot of braiding to do. But some of them I did a little longer just to give myself a stronger base. All right, so here I just stop at my hair, and yep. I'm going to take the second piece. I'm going to break that down as well, just so I don't have to stop when it's time for me to wrap the whole lock. It takes about 3 pieces to wrap the whole lock. Excuse my stumble, guys, because I am going to stumble, okay? All right. So now I'm going to take this piece, and I'm going to give myself about a 2 to 3 inch anchor, and I'm going to wrap that counterclockwise. And my nails, And then I'm going to take the long one and wrap it clockwise. And just wrap it and wrap it. And I'm just going to cover up that small knot and just continue wrapping. So it took about 3 turns to cover up that knot, maybe 2. So your pointer is everything. As you can see, my pointer has like no nail polish left. That kind of caught me off guard. I probably caught y'all off guard with that too. But yeah, my nails looking crazy because this hairstyle definitely eat it off. All right, so you're just wrapping and just playing a wrapping game at this time. Your pointer is going to basically be your eyes. You're just going to feel your way through it with your pointer, and it's going to guide you and let you know that, you know, everything is smooth. You're right under it. You're not missing any, you know, spots. There's no spaces. It's strong. Yeah, your pointer is going to tell it all. Your pointer is doing all the work, actually. That's the leader. Yes, your pointer is the ringleader. Okay, so now it's getting a little thin, so I add another piece the same way I did it at the root. I just put an anchor counterclockwise, and I take the long piece and just wrap it clockwise. And I do overlap a little bit just to make sure that it's secure. And yeah, just keep wrapping it. I like when it gives me that little texture when you know, overlap. It gives you some texture and make it look a little more natural. So yeah, it's a lot of wrapping on each lock. All right, so now I'm about to come to the end. And once you get to the length you want, you're going to take the piece you wrap in and kind of like separate it. Make it skinny so you could just kind of like wrap it. Sometimes it tangle. Do not fight with it. Just cut it and cut it on a slant so it's not blunt. You need it on a slant so it's, you know, thin enough to just disappear in there. And once you get to the length you want, just start wrapping it really tight. And yeah, you just wrap it down and wrap it back up. In this case, it's short because I had to cut it. So I'm just gonna stop it right there. And then I'm gonna take another piece from the bottom and start wrapping that up. Like so. And I'm gonna wrap that until it disappears. There we have it. So this one I'm not going to add any glue or anything, maybe later, but this is how I did all of them. And I just take a sharp pair of scissors and get some small one, because if you get some big ones, big dookie scissors, they're going to make it look big and dookie. So get some small, clean, sleek scissors and yep, snip it. Get every little piece and then take your fingers and roll it up. Okay guys, so I am going to finish this last lock. I hope this video was helpful. If you'd like to see more like it, make sure you hit that thumbs up and leave a comment. Enjoy this track. See you on the next one.
The latest friend we meet, they always do the most. The ones we keep around never do the most. They wonder why you're clicking and you're moving close. Careful with the niggas, you say you the bro. Like I don't know who to call. Pointing out the finger saying you the fault. They can take the ownership and move along. Don't self-reflect before they saying you the wrong. They always want to paint you as the bad guy. Like they was not the one telling bad lies. Like you was not the one giving last tries. Yeah, gotta burn the bridge just to see who's swim to see. Yeah, gotta drink the bottle just to get the remedy. Yeah, before you check me, better check your energy. Yeah, it can't prevail if there's no consistency. Yeah, my mama hate to see me drinking from the bottle. Yeah, because she sees some family suffer from the problem. Yeah, they never press it when you coming from the bottom. Yeah, they only love it when you coming out your wallet. Yeah, can't throw that gives me if a nigga say I got it. They still won't hate you even when you speaking my way. They just stay here within and you can never stop it. Yeah, can't them a star, that's why you send her the topic. Yeah, I'm taking next. They gotta go. They slow you down, they don't wanna see you grow. When they start to hate, just let them know. Gotta break away, that's when you see they color show. Now hold it down, hold it down, hold it down, yeah. Now hold it down, hold it down, hold it down, yeah. Now hold it down, hold it down, hold it down, yeah. Now hold it down, hold it down, hold it down, yeah. can taste it bad. I can tell you why they faces mad. It's because we young and chasing paths. And they older and they hate they past. Instead of hating, you should embrace their ass. Take your credit, boy, don't pay the cash. That's when they really start to chase your ass. Yeah. Choose your words, you can't take it back. I'm disappointed in what they making rap. Look, I think the heart is set for people with just finding the peace. Just be about it, don't speak about it, that's the mind of the street. The one that love you daily, nigga, they don't mind what you speak. The energy you put into it, that's the kind that you see. Now people will hate it when you solid, try to knock up your vibe. Move from people staying stagnant, trying to lock up the time. Never been through what I've been through, can't get proper advice. I hold it down, can never tell, I got a lot on my mind. Since that's a way to never fall. Opportunity is knocking at the door. Gotta leave, I gotta go. I gotta leave before them colors start to show. Now hold it down.